the administration part. Okay, how to, sorry, BW with BO, that we have to discuss, right? Info cube DS was how to create a universe using the info cube or multi providers. So that I'll show you now. And also we'll discuss how to create a universe by connecting to, sorry, how to create a report by connecting to the directly to BEX queries. So I'm trying to connect to the server. Please keep everybody in the mute. Just to try to open a information design tool. Please keep everybody in the mute. Connect to the repository. Enter the credentials here. And so here to connect to the BW sources, info cubes, DS hosts, what we need to do is we need to directly create a secure connection. Okay, the local connection is not possible to connect to the BW info cubes. So what I am trying to do here, I am just selecting a, I am creating a secure connection directly. It's going to be in relation connection only. Then let me check the SAP user details here. Venkat, can you tell me the BW username and password?
BW ERP 123, sir.
1 second. Let me try this. BW username. Password?
Username BW. ERP 123.
Okay.
Password.
Okay, BW ERP 123. Okay, fine. Now coming back here, so that instance number is 02. Okay. SAP BW source. Click next, and here you can choose the SAP sources. BW NetWeaver BW connection. You can choose it. Java connector. So like how we have ODBC, Oracle client, JDBC, right? So to connect to the SAP BW sources, we are going to use the Java connector, SAP Java connector. Click next, and enter the credentials here. Client is 001, and the username is BW ERP 123. System ID, you can take it from here. BW6 system ID, I can take BW7. The server IP address is 192.168. 192.168.2 1.117 and system number is 02. Okay, test the connection. Close this and you can go to the info provider. Here you can choose the info cubes or DSOs for multi-provider, anything you can choose it. So I'm just selecting the info cube. Info object is there. Venkat, any other user is there?
No, sir.
Okay. Normally, like here we can see the list of the info cubes, DSOs, multi-provider. So anyway, I'm just choosing the one info object, so which I'm going to use something like here. Click OK. Finish. You want to create a shortcut connection? No. I'll just try to create a new project. BW July. Click finish. So that we need to import here. Create a shortcut connection under the BW July. This is the one which I created, right? Once the connection is created, then going to create a data foundation layer. Click next. So whenever you are designing a universe by connecting to the SAP sources, always use the multi-source enable. You have to choose the multi-source enable. Click next, next, and choose this, and next, finish. That's it. There might be some problem. Could not update text or dimension table for a connection SAP BWS. Okay, what I can do, I'll just try with other server. Let me check. I'm just to try to. Okay, let's stop now. This regarding the SAP BW. Let me check with other server also. If there is no sample info cubes, then it will be a problem. Okay, and it will waste of time. What I can do? So let's start with the administration part. Okay, today, and that BW with the BO concept I will explain tomorrow. So once I go through the server, if everything is fine, then I will explain. Or else, so again checking and so instead of wasting time, let's continue with the administration part. No problem, not required now. So I'll just do it later. Okay. Now talking about is administration part. So let's start about the scheduling part first. How to schedule a report. Scheduling we can do multiple ways. We can schedule it and we can send the target location as BI inbox. We can send it. What is BI inbox? In the first session I told, right, while I log into the BI Launchpad, we can have the inbox. So in a favorite folder we have inbox. So all scheduled report come to BA inbox. Fine. And we can send a report to email box. I want to get a, say if the customer asks like I want to get my report into my email box every day, daily. If there is any daily report is there, they want to get the report every day into his email box. Okay. And I want to get some FTP location. For particular FTP location, I want to get the report. Or BA folder location or file store directory. I can say the file store. File store system. Okay. So this location, these are the different location we can send the report. Okay. And in which format you can send a report? This target location. Definitely we can send it to the BOBJ format. Right, email box, FTP, file store directory. These three target location we can't send it to the BOBJ format. Maybe we can't open through the email box, right? Inbox at least you can open it. And so BOBJ and format in Excel format we can send it, PDF, CSV format. So these are the different format we can send a report. Excel, PDF, CSV. Fine. And to schedule a report to email box, FTP location, file store directory, you have to configure SMTP details, adaptive job server. Okay, one of the server in business objects. SMTP details you need to enter to send a report. Getting right, to send a report to the email box, to send a report to the email box. Without configuring, how we can send it? No, right? So in adaptive job server, we need to configure the SMTP details. Similarly, file store directory also. So that file directory you need to configure. And FTP also. FTP IP address, host name, port number, that you have to configure in adaptive job server. Okay, I'll show you quickly how we can configure these settings. So to configure these settings, in adaptive job server, we need to log into the CMC tool. CMC is an administrative tool. It's a web-based tool. Okay, it is a web-based tool. Using this tool, so we can do all the administrator activity. So we can see all the users list, groups information, and all license information. That all we can see through the CMC tool. Okay,
CMC
and right to Central Management Console.
Central Management Console.
Central Management Console tool. Here you can see. So to log into the BA Launchpad. Okay. To log into the BA Launchpad, what we will do? Sorry, to log into the BA Launchpad, we'll enter instead of the CMC, we'll enter BA, right? This is the BA Launchpad. And if you make a CMC, so it will open the Central Management Console tool. Okay. Clear? Now you need to enter all the developers can't access this. Only the administrator can log into the CMC tool. If you have the administrator, right, then only you can do it. So once you open CMC, this will discuss later. So I'm just directly going through servers list. So with the list of the servers, you can able to see here. If the BO is installed in the cluster mode, so you will find the 2-3 nodes. That means you have installed the BO system 1, system 2, system 3 to make a load balance between the system. So there you can see the node 1, node 2, node 3. Okay. So here I am going to servers list here. Under that you will find the adaptive job server. As what I said, like in adaptive job server, we are going to make a configurations, right?
Madhukar, as we developers, we have to do all these settings.
No. Only the administrator can do this activity. Scheduler can done by the developer,
Okay.
but this adapt to configuration settings can done by the administrators only. Okay.
And what about these dashboard and the custom report server? So is it like a
Dashboard related server.
okay?
Say, suppose you want to save the dashboard reports in your BO portal. To whenever you open a report, to refresh the data in a dashboard in a BI portal, right? So these processing servers will process the data from source system to here.
Okay. So these are all manually set up, or which is already there?
By default, you will get when you install the BO. By default, you will get. Say, suppose if you are not using the Crystal Report dashboard, right? We can stop those services.
Okay.
Okay. Now making adaptive job server here. So right click here and go to properties. Under the properties, you can select the destination. There we have to configure. Look at here, I just configure BI inbox. By default will get file store directory. See how I configure, you'll see directory of the path. Okay, so where I want to send a report to the particular location. And also if you want to configure the email box, I mean you want to send the reports to the email box, so then you need to enter the SMTP domain name, host name and IP address, and the username and password that you need to enter here. Okay, once you configure, then only you can schedule a report to any target location. Okay, so now I'm just logging to the BA Launchpad to schedule a report. You can schedule a report through the through the CMC as well, or you can do it through the BA Launchpad. I'm trying to create a sorry, no need to create a report, right? So we have already list of reports. So here inbox you will get the scheduled reports. Now go to the folder. I'm just try to schedule one of the report. Let's say I'm taking this report, basic report. So right click and click on schedule. Just give me a second.